Pammy, what you doing? What are you doing? I just got my stuff from Tractor Supply.
Sleeping.
Sleeping? How come you're sleeping? It's the middle of the day.
Oh. You know I got my shingle shot.
Oh, that's right. You
yesterday.
got your single shot. Well, that's a nice thing with Casper. You can just lay down whenever you want.
I'll tell you what, this weather is beautiful. It was like 77 when we left the house.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh, are you done shopping?
Yep.
Oh, it's so comfortable. I don't want to leave.
Yeah, I had to order some stuff. They were out.
Again?
Yeah.
All right. I'll get up.
Okay.
It's so comfortable.
Yeah, love you.
Why don't you come in and take a nap with me? Even though we're 10 minutes from home.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, love you.
Love you too.
Don't look like you're writing much, Jay.
Thinking.
Is that why there's smoke coming out of your ears?
Probably so. Are you filming me? Oh my God. Family and her camera.
I only see 3 things on that list.
Those are bullet points.
Bullet points. Okay. Oh God, I'm tired and sore. Oh.
I think you're getting delirious.
Jay's an RN, so he said you better get your shingles vaccine before you get shingles, because I treated many a person with shingles and it's not fun. Right, Jay?
Yes, that's indeed true. And you know, it never leaves you. It's, you know, it's like some of our relatives. They won't go away. We had our ranch. Everybody wanted to visit.
Wouldn't go away.
Yeah. And you couldn't get them to leave. Until the snow started to fly. and they had to go out and help men fence and do things like that, buck hay and so forth.
That's
and,
right.
You know, that kind of encouraged them to move along.
Now all I've got to do is jump in Casper and go hide.
Yep.
All right, I'll let you get back to your work. This is what I love about this mirror right here on the pantry, the roll-out pantry, is I can sit here and see what's going on behind my back. See there? That's behind me. I'm sitting on my bench bed, and I'm facing this direction, so I can be sitting here and see what's going on. I love that. Speaking of mirror, I'll take this opportunity to tell you guys about this mirror. It's an acrylic mirror, and so it won't shatter unless you absolutely bend it in half. It'll finally crack and break. But we got this on Amazon, a wonderful lady or company that sells these acrylic mirror, and she will cut them to any size you want. And we just put them on our pantry front just to bring in some more brightness. Not a lot to say about it other than it's been awesome. And it really reflects the light. We love it. As you know, our mirror opens up everything, so. She is very pleasant in the shade. This is early July, and granted, the temperature is nice outside, but sitting waiting for an appointment is just a pleasure. We're actually at a winery, and those are their shipping bins. But Jay's using a meeting room here, so. All our transit friends know about how wide these doors swing around and open up, which comes in handy in situations, especially because of the length at 19 feet. And you can also open the slider and swing this door around. And there's plenty of room back here. So that's a wonderful feature for getting your butt out of the main aisle of the drive area. It has a big magnet stopper at the bottom that holds it secure, keeps it from hitting the side of the van. And then to close it, just give her a little push and she comes around. And then to open it, it's locked, so if a big gust of wind comes, it can't swing around and hit whatever's behind it. I can't do it with the iPad and holding the iPad in this, but well, yeah, actually I can. You just push that button and then you can swing the door around again. It's a really nice feature. Don't look at the dirt. We've been all up through the mountains and camping and everything. We do need to wash her, but I wanted to talk about our factory installed slider step. It has never missed a beat. You open your door and she slides out, and for us older folks, it's nice to have a big platform for feet, nice and wide and sturdy. And then when you close the door, in she goes, like clockwork. She's never failed us. And yes, I slammed that door a little hard because we're on a little bit of an incline. But we love our factory install. For those of you who haven't ordered yours yet, I highly recommend it. This is actually the windshield screen that you'll see in my solar screen videos that we put across the back of the van, because it gets hot in these back windows in the evening sun in our house. So the back windows take the same size screen as the windshield, so it works out really well. And there it is, keeping that glass cool to the touch. Otherwise you can't even hardly touch it, it gets so hot now that we're into July. And of course we connect them with the rare earth magnets. I can't see my screen because it's so freaking bright out here. I know the door's cracked. Help draw a little air in and up the roof vents in case we want to go somewhere it won't be so scalding hot in there. But that works great. Oh God, look at this. Point of contention with transit owners. We've already lost one of the two caps there that we replaced. Oh, should have did what they said and put a little bit of glue on that. Anyway, that helps tremendously in hot sun.